Hey guys, welcome to Tracie's Place. I am going to be making these Johnsonville sausage strips for you today. These are the maple flavor. This is the first time that I am seeing this about, I would say a month ago. And I said, I am going to try those. So when I saw them at the store, I saw these at Walmart. And so I picked up some. Have you all saw these? Have you all made these? Have you all heard of these? So let me know down in the comments, is this something just new to me? I don't know if they've been out 6 months, 3 months, or if they're just coming out when I saw them like a month ago. So y'all let me know if you all have heard of these and, whatever. And it says you can make them on top of the stove, in the air fryer, the microwave. I'm doing them on top of the stove this morning. I'm going to show you what they look like and how they taste. I'll be back. So I'm going to start off with 3 strips. Or maybe I'll do 4. I'm going to do 4. And I just put like a teaspoon of oil. You put oil of your choice. And they're fully cooked already. That's what the package says. So I'm going to put those in just like that. So I just put a teaspoon of oil, like I said, in the bottom, and I spread the oil around and, put them in as you see here. And I am so excited to taste these. They smell delicious. Now they are sausage. It says sausage strips, but they're bacon style. So after they cook up, oh my goodness, y'all, they smell so good. I'll be back. Okay, correction, y'all. It said 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, period. Not per side, but 3 to 5 minutes, period, that they're supposed to be in the skillet because they are already fully cooked. So I'm just going to flip them because I do like mine browned on both sides. And I am going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of water, I think. Well, you know what? No, I won't, because it doesn't say to do that. So I'm going to follow the directions my first time trying this. And I will be back. Okay, so it has been about 5 minutes, and y'all see that it is browned. So as you see, I have paper towel over here. It's on some aluminum, like an aluminum pan. So I am going to go ahead and get this on the paper towel so the grease can drain off. The excess grease, and I'll show you in a second. And there we go. It's draining on the paper towel. I'm going to flip it over to get the excess grease off the top, but it looks good. Looks good. So we're going to see if it tastes good. They are done, and they're not super crispy. I didn't fry them too crispy. I like mine's kind of soft, crispy, if that makes sense. So, oh my goodness, I'm excited to try them for y'all. Let me taste one for you. First time. Those are good. I would recommend these. Those are so good. It's it has smokiness of bacon or a smoked sausage. And it has a sausagey taste. It has that flavor in there, but it's thin like bacon. Okay, so it has a sausage taste with a smoky bacon smoked sausage flavor. It is really good. It's really good. Like I said, I didn't fry them crispy. They still have some movement. It's fully cooked now. It's fully cooked. But I like it like this too. I think when you do turkey bacon and probably something like this, if you do it too crispy, it takes away some of the flavors. It's not as good. This tastes good like this. Like this. So 5 minutes, but I did flip mine. On top of the stove, microwave, air fryer, and in the oven. Those are the 4 recommended ways that you cook it. I watched a video, of course, before I did mine, and I saw somebody do it on a grill, on an outdoor grill. So I don't know how that came out, but those are the 4 ways that it was recommended. This was really good. Also, guys, try these with my 2-ingredient biscuit recipe that I have. I'll link it right at the end of this. Okay? So yes, I would definitely recommend these Johnsonville sausage strips. Delicious. I will be getting them again. So these are the maple flavored ones. These are the only ones I've tried so far. They have chorizo and then the original flavor, and these are maple flavored. So these were good. So go out and get you some. Let me know what y'all think of them down below. Let me know if you all have tried them before, if you all have even heard of this before. And then after you try it, y'all let me know how they came out for you, or if you like them. All right, I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Y'all be blessed. Bye.